Hey there, welcome to another episode of Metris Maniacs. Today we're going to be installing a nose guard on the front of our Metris van. This is going to be a really nice, it's going to give it a nice look, and it's going to give it a nice protection from all the nicks. Let me get a close-up here of the nicks that I already have on this vehicle. We got some here, under here, chipped. So this piece that I have is going to protect, it's going to cover all this. And what it's also going to do is make it look like the grill now reaches over up onto the hood. All right, here's what we got. It's from TerraWagon.com. This is the way they make it. It has a nice little bump, little ridge here. And it has a lip on the bottom side, which makes it really nice because you can just tuck it in underneath this lip, underneath your hood, and lock it right into place. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we wanna get any grease or any kind of oil that might have kicked up on the road. We want to get that off of here because we want to be able to make sure that that's going to stick well. So I'm going to get some, I wish I had denatured alcohol, but I don't, but I got some rubbing alcohol here. So I'm just going to squirt that on my rag and just wipe. I don't need to go that far because I know where this piece is going to connect to. It's going to match right here with this line and go right across. I'm going to show you the trick for getting this tape on. As you can see, we got two strips of tape, one down low, which is gonna, this is the part that goes underneath the hood. So this is the down low part, and this is the higher one. We could just peel these off and then try to narrow it, like get it right on there and then stick it on, but it's gonna be hard to make sure we're in the right position. So what you wanna do is, you wanna peel up just a little bit of this tape here, the backer. Go and position it just where it reaches over. See that? We're just gonna have it just reach over there, and now we're gonna do the same thing to this one here on this side. So here we go. You can see the two bottom ones are going to be the ones on the outside. You need to remember that when you're going to install this, because you want to make sure you pull that one first, because if you were to pull this one first, you're not going to be able to pull this one anymore because it's going to be glued to your vehicle. So you can see I put a couple little pieces of masking tape just to make sure I don't have to fight with it when I stick it on there. And let's get a little before shot. Here's the before of the vehicle. Hopefully we can see the nose clearly. All right, here we go. We're gonna put this on the vehicle. Hopefully it's pretty easy. I'm gonna try lining it up. Already stuck. It's not good. We don't want to get stuck when it's not in the right spot. I want to kind of line up that center. This is way trickier than I thought it was going to be. Okay. I can feel that in the right spot, and that's in the right spot. I'm going to just press this against it here. Looking good. And now, I'm going to start with the bottom one, as we talked about. I'm going to make sure I can get this other one out of here. I can't get that out. I'm screwed. Oh, I got it. Okay. Everything's good. Okay, we're going to start on this side because this one's trying to hide from us. So we're going to pull it. Just pull it out as we press it against the vehicle. Give it a really firm push. This is just the bottom one. Now we're going to do the same thing with this side. Oh. Like that. Well, there you have it. Check out the way it looks here on the vehicle. Such a nice finish. Really looks like it just is a continuation of the grill. You know, it just is so nice. I'm going to step back here. You can see how it just made it look a little more modern, a little more beefier. Now it's still a Metris van. It's not a Sprinter, but it just looks a lot better now with this simple piece. This is $149 at TerraWagon.com. I'll put the link on the video description. Hope you like it. I'll do a little before and after here, pictures, and I'm very stoked. It's stuck on there well. It's looking good. Take care. Thanks for watching. Metris Maniacs, stay tuned. We'll be putting some more stuff on as I got some projects ahead of me here. Take care.